The
Awesome.
truth.
And the truth said, Lordy, they're all here.
Woohoo!
All the regulars, all the cool people are over here.
Oh,
Oh, you saw us on Fiverr. Oh, awesome. Very cool.
woohoo!
Yeah, awesome.
Oh, yeah, very cool, very cool. So what do we got? What's our next prize?
What's our next thing that we've got? Let's see. We've got, I wish Tanya would show up so we could spin the wheel for her.
I know.
Where's Tanya today?
Okay, universe, everyone think Tanya Dunsworth, come here.
Come on in.
Come on into the show. Tanya, come on into the show. We've got a special prize spin for you. Landis is here. Hello. G'day, Landis. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is the next thing Amy's going to show. It's been highlighted right now. It's the ice cooling, painless laser hair removal.
You guys, I flippin' love this thing. It is on sale. It's $119. I don't know if there's any extra coupons on that. Jamie will check for that while I'm talking about it. But this is awesome. I've tried other ones. This one is so brilliant because
there is an extra coupon.
What is it? How much?
$30 off.
Oh, an extra $30 off. You guys, this is a great Christmas gift. Not only does it do hair removal, but it
brings it down to just $90, folks, from $160 down to $90.
One laser treatment at the professional shop is about $500. One laser treatment, and it takes about 10 to get rid of your hair. But not only does this do laser hair removal, this also does skin rejuvenation. I did a rejuvenation facial on myself the other day. Oh, it felt so good. It really it's warm. It doesn't. The cool thing is that this section right here, it feels like ice. It's got an ice cold section on it. So
and it's actually got a soundtrack to it. So when you're using that, it goes. Ice, ice the baby. Ice, ice the baby. Ice. No, okay, that's not true.
It just goes ice, ice baby. It's not the baby.
Yeah, no, it's ice, ice the baby.
No, ice, ice baby.
Ice,
bum, 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 bum.
Ice, ice the baby.
Okay. Anyway, it's really simple. You just long press this button here, and it's going to flash every 5 seconds. It flashes. It feels really good. There's absolutely no pain. It is one of the most painless ones I've tried, and I've done professional hair removal. I had a couple of these other machines. Now, this is my by far favorite one, and it's not just because they sponsored me. All of them sponsored me, but I'm not talking about the other ones.
Not talking about any others now. When he finds a good thing, she keeps it.
Yeah, when I find a good one, you guys, even when I'm sponsored, if it's better than the other ones, it's very difficult for me to promote the other ones once I know that this one's the best.
We had a really big company from Europe approach us a couple of years back, and we're like, okay, we looked at all their stuff, we were doing it, and then we came across a different company from Australia that did the same thing 10 times better, and we're like, we're sorry, we cannot recommend you to people out there when there's something else that's a lot better and far more financially effective for people as well. So sorry, improve your product, and then we can go back to telling people about it. So.
Are you going to try this? I can show it to you live. I mean, if you guys want to see me do it, I don't mind. You should not have any makeup on, but I can do a treatment on my lip real fast. If you guys do want to see it, it's fairly painless.
my palms are hairy.
They want us to demo it on you.
Okay, folks, we're just going to do a little section.
Take your shirt off, Jamie. Take one for the team.
Ratings will drop.
Take one for the team.
Ratings will drop. I've fallen into that trap before. What's this thing? Oh, that's good. Plug.
Okay, so right now you can see that it's at a 1, and it's got the little ice cooling feature on it. I put it on about a 6. I go up to about a 6 or a 7 on there. And you want to make sure you use your little glasses here. Jamie, don't look. And I'm going to long press on this. It's not going to beep until it actually hits my skin. And so if I've long pressed on it, as soon as I hit my skin, it's going to go. Just like that. It's that easy. So that's exactly what I do. That's exactly how I do it. It's super simple. It's super simple and doesn't even cause any redness or anything. So I love this machine. I have no qualms with this guy. It's real good. You will smell a little burning hair. Like like the peach fuzz and stuff, you'll smell that burning. And you should definitely do a little bit of lotion or something afterwards, because you'll feel it kind of a little stingy.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
What's that from?
That's
a song? I think it's a football ad. I don't know. I played rugby and union and soccer and cricket. And
Amy's lips are gone in the wind. That's right.
I don't watch the sports.
And also another trip, you might have seen me do this. So you don't want to hit it on your actual lips. So you want to kind of close your lips as much as you can so that it doesn't get your actual lips.